so much to learn about. It'll make you want to shout, Blippi!
Happy birthday! Yeah! Hey, it's me, Blippi! And since it's someone's birthday out there, why don't we draw a birthday cake together? Whoa! I love birthday parties. They're so much fun. Yeah, because big group of people get together around the cake, they sing happy birthday, and then whoever's birthday it is, they blow out the candles. Whoa! And then you get to eat the cake. So yummy! So let's draw a straight line. And then the first layer of the cake. There we go. And then let's draw the second layer of the cake. Oh, this is gonna be a big, tasty cake. Ooh, and let's draw 3 small rectangles. Yeah, these are the candles because this person is turning 3 years old. Ooh, and can't forget about the little flames up top. There we go. So then they can blow them out. But we're not done yet. We need some icing. Yum! Wow. Well, if you want to keep drawing with me, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Ready? B-L-I-P-P-I. Blippi. See you later. Bye-bye. Hey, it's me, Blippi. Do you want to know one of my favorite snacks when it's really hot outside? Yeah, an ice cream cone. They taste so good, and it's nice and cold when it's hot outside. Hey, why don't you and I draw an ice cream cone? All right, first I'm gonna start with the color purple, and then I'm gonna act like I'm drawing a circle, but I'm gonna stop about halfway. And then I'm gonna draw some half circles on the bottom, just like that. Ooh, that's the ice cream. Ooh, and then you can't forget about the cone. So I'm gonna use the color brown and draw a V. Yeah, if I drew straight across there, then that would be a triangle. All right, let's connect that, just like that. And then I'm gonna do some stripes. Whoa! Yeah, it looks like we have some texture right there. Wow, doesn't that look yummy? Whoa! Wow, I sure do love drawing, and I sure do love ice cream. I only eat ice cream after I eat a nice healthy meal. Well, if you want to draw more with me, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Ready? B-L-I-P-P-I. Blippi. All right, see you again. Bye-bye. Hey, it's me, Blippi. And do you like donuts? Yeah, I do too, but I only eat donuts after I eat a nice big healthy meal. But today, you and I get to draw a donut. All right, let's first take this brown marker and draw a big circle. There we go, just like that. And let's draw a smaller circle on the inside. Now it looks like you can hold that donut, huh? Nom, nom, nom. But it doesn't look tasty without frosting, right? I know. I should probably take my pink marker and then draw some frosting right there. Whoa, now that looks tasty, right? I know, but we'll make it even tastier is sprinkles. So let me take this purple marker and make some sprinkles. There we go. Wow, pink frosting and purple sprinkles. Whoa, now that looks like a yummy donut. Whoa, if you like donuts and you love drawing with me and you want to draw some more with me, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Yeah, B-L-I-P-P-I. Blippi. All right, see you again. Bye-bye. Hey, it's me, Blippi, and I have something really fun for us to draw together today. Let's draw a castle. There's a lot of rectangles on this one. So first, let's draw a sideways rectangle like that. There we go. And then a rectangle, a really tall one right in the middle. And then a shorter one on this side. Whoa, look at that. And then a shorter one on this side right here. Whoa, and then we can draw a nice triangle right up top on all 3 of these. Whoa, it's starting to look like a castle, right? Oh, and you can't forget about the drawbridge. There we go. Whoa, and then let's draw a little flag up top. Whoa, there we go. Cool, and let's draw some windows right there. Whoa, do you like that castle? I do too. I would love to live in a castle. Well, if you want to keep drawing with me, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Ready? B-L-I-P-P-I. Blippi. All right, see you again. Bye-bye. Oh, hey, it's me, Blippi, and I'm really tired. Wait a second. Why don't we draw a bed together? That sounds like fun. Yeah, I love going to bed because I have sweet, nice dreams. All right, let's draw a blue bed. All right, first, let's start to draw a big rectangle. Yeah, and I'm gonna make a little gap right there, and I'll show you why. You see that? But first, we need some pillows. Yeah, you need to have something to lay your head on, and these pillows are rectangles. Yeah, just like that. And watch this trick. Whoa! Looks like when you go like this, yeah, it looks like those are the blankies. But if you do a little line like that, and then match that squiggle, now it looks like you folded back the covers and made your bed. Whoa! Well, if you love drawing with me and want to draw some more, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Yeah! B-L-I-P-P-I. Blippi. All right, see you again. Bye-bye. Hey, it's me, Blippi. And do you want to know something I do every morning when I wake up and every night before I go to bed? Yeah, I brush my teeth. Whoa! It's very important to keep your teeth nice and clean. And today, you and I are gonna draw a tube of toothpaste. All right, to do that, I'm gonna use green because it's gonna be mint toothpaste. All right, so I'm gonna draw a straight line down here, straight line right there, straight line up there, and watch this. I'm gonna kind of do an arched line right over there. And then I'm gonna continue that to make it an oval. And then I'll make another line like that, and then some vertical lines. Yeah, and that's how you screw off the top. And down here, we'll make that a very wide rectangle, and some vertical lines right there. Wow! And when you brush your teeth, you make your teeth nice and happy. So I'll draw a tooth right here. Whoa! Very happy tooth. Thank you so much for brushing my teeth. All right, if you love drawing with me and want to draw some more, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Ready? B-L-I-P-P-I. Blippi. All right, see you again. Bye-bye. Hey, it's me, Blippi. And do you know what Halloween is? Yeah, it's that holiday where you go from house to house and go trick-or-treating and get candy. Oh, I love candy. And those houses are all decorated, really spooky. Yeah, with jack-o'-lanterns and ghosts. Hey, why don't you and I draw ghosts today? All right, let me take this black marker and draw a very big curved line. Ooh, and then I'll do some curves at the bottom, just like that. Whoa! And then I'll draw an arm, another curved line. Woo, with 3 fingers on that side, and on this side, with 3 fingers as well. Whoa, cool. And I'll draw a circle right there for one eye, and one right there, but I'm gonna fill it in. Whoa, and then I'll draw a circle for the mouth, and it's saying right there, spooky. Whoa! Wow, I love Halloween, and I love you, Ghost. You are so silly. If you want to keep drawing with me, yeah, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Ready? B-L-I-P-P-I. Blippi. All right, see you again. Bye-bye.
Come on, everyone, let's make learning fun. So much to learn about, it'll make you want to shout, Blippi!